Unlock fluency. Think in English. Do you want to speak English fluently, like you speak your native language? The key is to think in English. Stop translating in your head. When you think in English, speaking becomes natural and easy. Imagine this. You're chatting with a friend, completely relaxed. Words flow out effortlessly. That's the power of thinking in English. No more hesitation, no more searching for words. Thinking in English unlocks fluency. It's the secret weapon many English learners miss, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. Dive in, surround yourself with English. Ready to start thinking in English? The first step is immersion. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Listen to English music and podcasts. Watch English movies and TV shows. Make English a part of your daily life. Change your phone and computer settings to English. Read English books and articles. The more you expose yourself to English, the faster you'll start thinking in it. Remember, consistency is key. Make English a habit, not just a study session. Simple tricks, big results. Train your brain. Here are some simple but powerful tricks to train your brain to think in English. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your thoughts, your dreams. Don't worry about making mistakes, nobody's listening. Use flashcards with English words and phrases. Look at the card and think about its meaning in English, not your native language. Practice thinking in English for short periods. Start with 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time. These exercises might sound silly, but they work. By actively using English, you're rewiring your brain to think in the language. Start now. Think in English tonight. Don't wait for the perfect time to start thinking in English. The perfect time is now. Choose one method from this essay and try it today. Start small, be consistent, and have fun with it. You'll be amazed how quickly you start thinking in English. Before you know it, you'll be speaking fluently and confidently. So what are you waiting for? Start thinking in English today.